In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Gamma project as a PDF. Exporting to PDF is a quick way to create a polished, portable version of your work that looks the same on any device. Whether you're sharing with teammates, sending a preview to a client, or keeping a clean snapshot for your records, this process is straightforward. I'll guide you through it and explain what to expect so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening your project on the Gamma app. Make sure the project you want to export is the one currently visible on your screen. The PDF will mirror the content and layout of this project, preserving your visuals and text exactly as they appear. Next, move to the top right corner of the Gamma interface and click Share. This opens a panel designed for distributing your work, whether through links or downloadable files. It's the central place for turning your live project into something you can save and keep. Within that panel, click Export. This tells Gamma that you want a file you can download rather than just a shareable link. Exporting is ideal when you need a fixed version that won't change, which is especially helpful for reviews, approvals, or archiving. Now choose Export to PDF. This option packages your project into a standard PDF document. PDFs are widely compatible, preserve your formatting and images, and are easy to view on phones, tablets, and computers without special software. It's the best choice when consistency and portability matter. After you click Export to PDF, wait for the PDF file to download. You might see a brief progress indicator while Gamma prepares the file. The time it takes can vary based on the size of your project and your internet connection. Projects with many pages or high-resolution images may take a bit longer, and that's completely normal. Just let the process finish without closing the tab. Once the export is ready, your browser will handle the download. Depending on your settings, it may save automatically to your default downloads folder, or it may prompt you to choose a location. Most of the time, the file name will match your project name, making it easier to find later. If your browser shows a download arrow or a status bar, you can glance there to confirm it's complete, and you're done. Your Gamma project is now a clean, reliable PDF, ready to share, present, or store. Keeping a PDF version gives you a professional, unchangeable copy you can use anytime. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined exporting workflow.